Hi, in this video we'll be discussing the characters as used by Patient Swift in The Last Good Man. And first on our list is Sam. Sam is a 57-year-old tragic hero in The Last Good Man. He actually developed an uncanny relationship with the inanimate objects around him, since he doesn't really have any relative living with him. He could talk to his plates, he could talk to his cups, even the food he puts in his mouth. It, there's a tragic ending in his story where he tried being a father to the little girl he rescued from the beach. Being a father to the girl he rescued from the beach, he died resisting the law enforcement in the Cornish line. Another character is Isabel. Isabel is an eccentric 35-year-old girl in the story. She really led a wayward lifestyle without giving thought to the consequences. She never was proud of herself because she knew what she was doing. What she was doing was actually bad. Her mother died without her knowing as a result of her adventurous escapades. She became the assistant parent to the little girl as saved by Sam, as asked by Sam to raise the girl together. She actually escaped the misfortune that befell Sam while raising the little girl. Other characters in the novel are Michael and Marion. Michael and Marion are actually the friends of Isabel. The friends Isabel could actually cry on to having lost her mother. Mariam, who is the wife of Michael, was the schoolmate of Isabel while growing up as a child. So they both were playmates as children in the neighborhood. Michael and Marion are the ones that advise Isabel to do certain things at the right time. And other characters are Sam's mother. Sam's mother, whose name is Bethany, is a very courageous woman, very studious, very hardworking. She raised Sam in a good way, making him to becoming the man that he is. But Sam fell short of the training he got from the mother. And the last character we'll be discussing is Isabel's parents. Isabel's parents they actually didn't really give the names of Isabel's parents, but Isabel's parents are actually the parents that gave us the contrast we needed between Sam's parents and Isabel's parents. They actually fought themselves and they fought each other while raising Isabel as a child. They never really gave Isabel the peace of mind she needed as a child. Isabel's parents are the contrast needed to compare both parents of Sam's and Isabel. So these are pretty much the characters we have in The Last Good Man in Patient Swift's book. In our next video, we'll be treating past questions gotten from SSC and UTME on The Last Good Man.